This is a BMW 2 Series, but not quite as you know it. It's got 2 more doors, and it's called the 2 Series Gran Coupe. It arrives on sale next March, priced from about £25,000, and you can think of it as a direct rival for the Mercedes CLA.
This newcomer means that the 2 Series nameplate is now the most diverse within the BMW brand. Not only does it line up alongside the 2-door 2 Series Coupe, which will continue on with a second generation model due a few years from now, but it also shares its badge with the brand's Active and Grand Tourer MPVs. The front end is lifted from the latest 1 Series hatchback, but from the A-pillar onwards it's entirely new in shape and design. It's a footprint smaller than the 3 Series saloon, but the boot comes in at 420 litres, which means it's more practical than the 1 Series hatchback. Under the metal, it shares its platform with that car. Called UKL, it's BMW's front-wheel drive toolkit, also supporting the likes of the X2 SUV and the Mini hatchback. X-Drive all-wheel drive versions are also supported by the underpinnings.
So if you've seen the interior of the new 1 Series, the interior of the 2 Series Gran Coupe shouldn't surprise you too much, because it's exactly the same, right down to the vents, the materials, there's a little bit of lighting here, and the infotainment. It's iDrive 7 and it's running across 2 displays, 10.25 inches in size. It's a bit different in the back, of course, but that's because of the shape of the car. There's a lot more room back there than the regular 2-door 2 Series though, but of course it's a bit cramped compared to the 3 Series because this is 183mm shorter in total.
From launch, 3 engines have been confirmed for the European market. The entry-level 218i model uses a 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine, and that drives the front wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. It produces 138 brake horsepower, and BMW claims it's good for 49.6 mpg. It'll be offered with a 7-speed automatic gearbox as an option. A performance model's been confirmed too and will sit above it, but it's not an M2 badged car. The M235i uses a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, developing 302 brake horsepower. It sends its power to an all-wheel drive system through an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and BMW claims it's good for 0 to 62 miles an hour in 4.8 seconds. Top speed is 155 miles an hour. Diesel is covered by the 220d model. This 2-litre option has 187 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It's capable of up to 62.8 mpg according to BMW's claims.
So that's all we can tell you about the new 2 Series Gran Coupe for now, until we get the chance to drive it early next year. But what are your thoughts? Leave them in the comments section below.